Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you don't already have a metal alloy. Look in bag and PC, then clear inventory space. Next, make sure you save the game so you can retry any risky attempt. Immediately head to high-reward areas and enable online connection if you plan to join raids. This increases drop options. Pack a balanced team that can beat 4- and 5-star Terra raids quickly and bring items that restore PP and HP. Once done, move to the hotspots for item acquisition. You focus on the specific acquisition methods. Prioritize sparkling item nodes in late-game areas and open every chest you find. These often contain evolution materials. If you can, join or host 4- and 5-star Terra raids because their reward tables include rare evolution items more frequently. Make sure to beat the raid fast so rewards roll over. Also check NPC traders and post-story exchange vendors after the Academy events, since some items unlock as rewards. You finish by claiming any found metal alloy, placing it in your bag, and saving right away so you do not lose the item. If an expected drop does not appear, reload your save and repeat the raid or revisit that sparkling node. Drop rates are probabilistic, so persistence pays off. If you still cannot obtain it, use online trade channels or in-game multiplayer exchanges to acquire one. Make sure the trade is legitimate and the item is correctly labeled before confirming the swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.